for long. Got ya. Woohoo! Oh no, we lost the egg. They won't have it for long. Someone isn't happy. Me. Still got the egg. Ha 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 ha. Oh, we'll get it back. You'll never get away with this, stinky birdies. It's time for them to get experience of what it's like to not have any eggs again. Wahoo! Yoy yoy! Wahoo! Yay, I'm saved! We're in jail. They got us. Woohoo! They saved our egg. Join us next time. It's time to talk about what we learned today. We learned that stealing is not good, especially for robbers. We shouldn't steal. Instead we borrow or ask for things, or sometimes we trade. See you next time!